All right, you lead the way. Go on, show me how. Yeah, we better not go that way. It's pretty wet. Come on, let's go this way. Come on. All right, you lead the way. Keep going. Well, got your foot wet, didn't you? Don't fall in the hole. It's muddy over there, buddy. All right, I think we better turn around now. I'm not going down there, sir. Not today, maybe next time. But you could show me how for next time. Pancake. How about we go back home now? Oh, look, there's Bronx. Hi, Bronx. Are you on Adventure Kitty now, too? Bronx followed us like a ninja. Hey, buddy. You want to go on an adventure, too? All right, come on, guys. Let's go back home. I can see you. You're not hiding. I see you in there. Hello, Pumpkin. Come on, let's go back home.